Here's an example of the interactive version of my book, Non Preoccuparti, Don't Worry, roughly translated. For the IT-minded people, I'll just say that it is done by calling OpenAI API. And let's start by saying hello to the book. He replies with the first question of what is called replay method in the book. And what did I happen to worry about? Let's say that I have been promoted director of engineering. And he says, congratulations. But this is more like an event, a fact. What's the worry about it? And I am concerned that I might not be up to the job. Let's make a classic easy example. And the book says, thank you. And let's proceed with the second question. Is it the first time you thought that? And here we mean the very first time. Is this the first time the thought, I'm not up to the job, crosses my mind? And in this simulation, I'll just say no, it's not the first time. Generally, it never is. So is it a pleasant thought? Very much no. Why do we ask that? I mean, we want to be in contact with the unpleasant and with the negative emotions that are associated with this thought. Sometimes we don't really connect the emotion with the thought that well. So the question continue, and is now asking, is it useful? And let's say that I am not sure, because maybe it motivates me to do better, maybe. And the book replies, he's thinking, I see, he's really thinking about this one. The book replies that sometimes negative thoughts can be seen as stimulus, but actually they drain our resources. And he asked me again, do you really consider this a useful thought? And now I say no. So the book can congratulate me again, because I have just recognized a replay, what is called a replay in the method that I use. And recognizing a replay, clarifying our mental content. So now we go to the question, what fact can comfort me? And let's say that I don't understand what it means. Okay, so he explained that we are looking for a fact related to our concern, but mostly taking a step back, we're looking for any fact that when we think about it immediately after the replay thought, we feel a little bit better. So let's say he suggests my superior promoted me because they trust my ability. And I say that I was chosen among many great candidates. So it's comforting to think that there were like good candidates and yet they chose me. Okay, now we go to a mental image, and I ask for the book to give me examples of what he means with mental image. A picture of myself successfully leading a meeting, for example, and we are actually looking more for mental images of things that happened or that are very connected with reality anyway. For example, in this simulation, I could say that I remember when the VP of engineering congratulated me for a great presentation of our new product. Okay, I'm keeping it a little bit generic, but we understand the concept. And that's it. We identified thought, understood that it was a repetitive, unpleasant, not useful thought. And now we know it's a replay, and we can put a little bit of space between us and such a thought. And we also have a comforting fact and a comforting image. So we basically applied a simplified version of some concepts that we can find in the book and that are typical of my coaching style. So that's it for the demonstration. Thank you.